Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you are returnees, welcome back and thank you very much for coming back. This video is brought to you by Shabby Chic and is hosted by my beautiful friend Antoinette from Decorating Anne's Place, and it is co-hosted by a very talented and creative Annie from Indie Annie Jones. I will write down all their links into my description box, and please go and check them. With that said, let's start. Since our theme today is about shabby chic, so I'm going to start by dressing up my coffee table. I'm putting this runner, a lace runner that I had for a long time. And this tray, I put some uh, light pink bedding and this flower vase. And I'm going to put the video on how I made it. I made it from trash. So what we needed, this empty container, an old dress, and my glue gun, of course. So yeah, that I have to start by removing this label, so that is not gonna show on later because we are using the lace to cover this container. And now I'm trying to cut the linings of this dress. This is an old dress. I tell you guys, this has been a 25 years old dress that I have. I used to have a very small size. So as you can imagine now, I can double the size of my size before. So instead of throwing it away, I'm recycling now or reusing now. So now I have to glue this on. But before that, I have to cut the same size or um, the same pattern as the lining, and we're gonna glue this together into that empty container. Okay, this is an old dress, like what I said. I'm doing or I'm recycling them now. Can you imagine that, guys? Over 25 years old, this piece of cloth that I got here. But I'm glad that I'm beginning to start reusing them now or recycling them now. So now I have to glue the lining first, okay, around this container. As you can see, it won't be that long, guys. Couple of minutes and it's all done. Yes, almost. It's getting there. Right, we put it onto the bottom. Make sure to make it a bit nicer so that though I'm not really good at it, but I have to make sure it's nice and like plain, so that when you put it up, it doesn't be it's not gonna be wonky. Okay, it's done. There you go. And then we have to put the lace on. The reason why I have to put the bedding, guys, is because since we are using a lace, it's gonna be see-through, since this is a see-through container. Okay, that's the reason why I should have painted it, but I can't be bothered doing the painting, so I might as well just use the linings that I had from the dress. And now I had this necklace, the pearl necklace that I don't choose also. So I just put it on as a necklace for my flower vase. And now I just put my faux flower on it, and that's done. See, this is my flower vase that I'm going to use for my coffee table. Now I'm using this candle. I am trying to set my coffee table for tea I have some a friend to come over for a cup of tea. So I put that teapot with a couple of cups. And now, those throw pillow that I made last time, if you want to see, I have the tutorial, one of my video down, or I will put it into my description box. And now I have this crochet a throw. I'm putting it here as my to make it more comfortable or cozy. And now I have also one of these planters that I made, but I didn't have the video of this, guys, because I deleted it for with a mistake. And also this how do you call this again, um, lampshade. This lampshade I also DIY. Is DIY lampshade, and that's it. And that hanging plants, I made it out of this balloon stick. I think I got this for very, very long time also. So I find this for a plastic stick from, balloon holder. So we are going to make a hanging planters with this stick. What we need are this glue gun. So we have to glue it first, and then we have to tie it with twine, as you can see, guys. And now I'm tying it with, because the glue gun is not gonna, it's just to hold it, but it's not gonna keep it, right? So I'm using this twine to put it together. There you go. And now I've used this I braided this twine, guys. I didn't show the whole process because it will take us so long. So I'm just letting you know that this is a braided twine. Okay, we just have to roll it around, but what I did is I have to make sure I have to glue it all the side so that it's not gonna be loose when I put my plants on it or my faux flowers on it. Okay, that's how I do it. See, I just braided it. I burned myself with this glue gun so many times. That's why I'm a bit scared now. But anyway, I am very, very pleased with the outcome on this planters, guys. So this is the outcome. Let's try to put our faux flowers. Is that beautiful? I really love this. Look at that. You can make it like that, standing on the side table, or I hang this one because I like to see it on my wall because my wall is very bare. So I just put it onto the wall, and there you go. Isn't it that beautiful? I'm really pleased. I would like to make another two so that it's even three. Okay, so this is our sofa with all my throw table. I mean throw pillows. What am I talking about? That crochet throw. Actually, this is a gift, guys. I had this also for a long time. I'm loving this. This is very nice and soft. And this is my DIY flower vase, as you can see. And that's my teapot. Actually, that teapot is I bought that from the UK when I was there. Actually, I bought a lot of set of teapot, but I sent it all back home. So this is the outcome, guys, of our shabby chic home decor. Once again, thank you very much for watching. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to thumbs up, and see you again next time. Bye.